hindi ka retirement plan ng magulang mo. And some of you really need to hear that today. Marami sa atin lumaki sa culture na ikaw yung taga-salo, ikaw taga-bayad, ikaw yung investment plan. Kaya ngayon, you start feeling trapped. Kasi you can't pursue your dreams without feeling guilt. But let me be clear, supporting your parents and siblings is not bad. It's actually commendable and it's beautiful. Pero only kung nasa terms mo. So if you feel like you don't have any choice, let me give something practical, easy to apply solutions for you. First, I need you to establish a non-negotiable list in your life. Hindi lahat ng pera mo automatic sa family. Set 3 things for your future self. Whether that's emergency funds, savings, travel budget, ito yung hindi gagalawin kahit may humingi. This is how you start setting boundaries. Next, support with structure, not emotions. So instead of sasabihin mo, ano bang kailangan nyo? Put some structure to it, no? Ito yung exact amount na mabibigay ko every month and hindi lalagpas dito. This trains your family to depend on that system and your terms and not just on you, not just on emotions. And lastly, start transitioning from being a breadwinner to a team member. You need to ask your siblings and your parents, paano tayo maghahati? Paano natin to ibabudget together? Ano ang mga contributions natin? Sino ang sasalon nito at sino ang sasalon yan? Hindi rude yan. That's called responsibility sharing. Remember, you can love your family and still protect your future. And you can support them and still choose your future self. Hindi ka retirement plan, pero you can be a blessing to your family as long as it's within your own term. So mga sis, ano yung mga other boundaries na you think you still need to work on or practice starting next year?